Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a home printer to a laptop. What I have here behind me is a regular printer. And as you can see, it has a USB cable connection. Now, a USB cable is basically a little box cable, sort of rectangular, I guess. If you look at the tip of it, it has just a rectangular connection with 4 little pins on the inside. So to connect our printer to our laptop, all I'm going to do is set my laptop on my desk here. I'm going to plug in the USB connection. So let's just plug that in. Now my laptop is going to detect that a new device has just been plugged into the computer. And it tells me down here at the bottom it's installing the device driver software. Now, a driver is a program that runs hardware. Every piece of hardware connected to your computer has a driver. So what it's doing now is installing that driver for this printer. So as you can see, it says that the device driver software installed successfully. Now if I click on the Start button, and then I go to my control panel, I'm going to scroll down until I find Printers. Right there, and you'll see that my HP DeskJet, that's actually this one, the D2300 series, has been connected correctly. So I'm going to right click on it and go to Properties, and to make sure, I'm going to click Print Test Page. Now the question arises, what happens if the printer does not install automatically? Well, what you would do in this case is you would go open up your web browser. You can hear that printing there. And you're going to go to the manufacturer's website. In this case, it's just HP.com. Find somewhere where it says Drivers. I'm going to click on Download Drivers. I'm just going to type in the product name. This is a DeskJet D2330. Find your operating system. In this case, I'm using Windows Vista. And then here you'll see a list of downloads under drivers, usually, for the driver for that printer. Just download and install that software and then reconnect your printer. As you can see, our print job came out correctly. And my name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to connect a home printer to your laptop.